it's Gila here. Welcome to my channel and thanks for checking out this review. Before we get started, if you would like to work with my own internet marketing coach to build your online income up to 10K per month, then check out the first link in the description for that. Now back to the review. You can grab the product from the second link in the description at any point during this video. And when you do, I am going to give you my 4 awesome bonuses. Bonus number 1, 6-figure business video training. Bonus number 2, AI Prodigy. Bonus number 3, Facebook strategy. Training. Bonus number 4, content marketing blueprint video. These bonuses will be delivered to you automatically inside Warrior Plus when you grab this product. Let's get started with the review.
Welcome to a new era of online success. Get ready for a game-changing opportunity. Imagine effortlessly duplicating one of my proven money-making systems and literally take my place as the creator and enjoy 100% of all the benefits. Sounds amazing, right? Hi there, this is Ahmed Ali. I am an online marketer and actually I started this online business, or let's say trying to make money online, since 2003. And like most of the people, I struggled, failed and even quit for several years. Nothing seems to work for me, and instead of getting any results, I was just wasting my money, my time, my energy, which was really frustrating. But somehow and after a while, I managed to get some results after focusing on specific area, which is affiliate marketing. Work hard and be patient, and hopefully I managed to get some results. But still, I wasn't getting great results at the beginning, just few sales here and there, until I stumbled upon the power of viral marketing systems. From that place on, things started to scale up fast, and I got great results like this one and this one and this one, and there is even more and more. But what all of that have to do with you, if you're asking? Now pay close attention and stay away from any distraction. So turn off your cell phone, unless you're watching this video on your cell phone, of course. Turn off the music, sit in a quiet place, no TV, no social media, and you can also grab your favorite drink and watch this video till the end, because I'm going to reveal exactly what this system is. So what are you going to get here exactly? Simply, I'm going to allow you to clone one of my done-for-you viral marketing systems. Introducing Viral Splash Pro System, your ultimate viral profit building shortcut. With this system, you can unlock the power of leveraging through viral marketing to build a massive email list, generate hands-free autopilot commissions, and even boost your primary business in the background without any additional work. The possibilities are limitless. So what this Viral Splash Pro System exactly is and how it works? Now, first of all, before we explain how the Pro System works, I have to start by explaining how the Viral Splash Basic Funnel works. Now, the Viral Splash Basic System is a simple marketing funnel, and it can be used to generate unlimited free viral traffic, promote 2 primary businesses plus 2 built-in income streams, and the end user can use the system also to build their own email list, which is essential for any online marketer, and it includes optional upgrade for the main built-in programs. However, the end users can still use the whole system for absolutely 100% free. Now, we are talking here about the basic version of the Viral Splash system, not the Pro version. So to elaborate more on how it works, let me explain it in another way. The Viral Splash Basic Funnel includes multiple capture pages, so any end user who will use the system for free will have done for them complete marketing funnel, and it includes the capture pages. It's going to start with the capture pages, and after they set the system up, they will be able to send traffic to this capture page. And the purpose of this capture page is to grab the visitor's attention and get them interested to learn more. So they're going to take action by filling this form here with their email address, and once they do that and click on Get Instant Access, they are going to get redirected to the next page, which is the bridge page. In the bridge page, they're going to learn more about the system and how it works. And if they're interested to get started, they're going to click on this button here. So they're going to get redirected to the steps page. And here they will have access to detailed training to show them how to sign up for several programs. And every end user will be able to embed their own affiliate links in this page. And those includes 4 programs, 2 main programs built into the system, in addition to 2 primary businesses. So any user of this funnel will be able to promote those 2 main programs, and also they will be able to get visitors to their primary businesses, which is a great benefit. Now, if we go back to the capture page here, once those people subscribe here, they are going to be added to the email list of that end user. And in this autoresponder system, there are going to be an automated follow-up message to get people back to the bridge page and others to send them back to the steps page, because not everybody going to take action from the first time. So this follow-up is very important. Also, that end user will be able to use this email to promote whatever they want. They can promote any other program in the Make Money Online marketing niche. So every end user who's going to use this basic funnel for free, they will be able to copy this whole thing for free. They'll be able to set it up following a detailed step-by-step training. And that training going to be coming in the next step. So once those visitors or those leads who are still in the stage of learning more about the system, once they completed those 3 steps on this page here, they are going to click on a button at the bottom of the page in order to continue to the training area. And inside this training area, they're going to have access to a detailed step-by-step training to show them how to set up their own copy of this same basic funnel. But actually for the end users, all of this is going to stop here because they won't be able to brand the training area with their affiliate links. And this is where the Pro funnel will come in. Now, let's talk about the Viral Splash Pro system. Viral Splash Pro system is a copy of the basic funnel plus the whole training area in the backend. So as a Viral Splash Pro system owner, you'll be able to customize the training area by adding your affiliate links of all the programs promoted in that training area. So all of the end users who will copy the basic funnel through your funnel will promote their own copy to get other people to copy and use the same funnel, and so on. Unlimited width and limited depth for you because you are the Pro funnel owner. And that's what we call viral leveraging. So as a Pro funnel owner, you'll be able to build a viral email list and social media followers in the process. And that's by getting all the members to go through your training area and enjoy unlimited traffic to your affiliate links and your primary business as well. And you can use this big viral email list to promote whatever you want. So the Viral Splash Pro funnel will work like this. It's going to start by you and your basic funnel end users sending traffic to their basic funnels. So if we assume that this is your basic funnel, once you start promoting your basic funnel, you're going to get several outcomes. You'll be able to build your own email list, and you'll be able to get referrals in the programs promoted in the basic funnel, in addition to your primary businesses, of course. And you'll be able also to generate viral traffic through one of the built-in components inside the system. And after that, once anybody of your members decided to continue in order to set up their own copy of the funnel, they're going to get redirected to the sign-up page, which is the training sign-up page. Now, as a Pro member, this is going to redirect into your own page. So this is going to be your sign up page. And if anybody sign up here, it's going to redirect them to your training area, which will include the training area and the traffic training center, where they will learn, first of all, how to set up the marketing funnel. And after that, they're going to have access to the traffic training center to learn multiple traffic generation strategies so they can start promoting their basic funnels. And at the same time here, once anybody sign up through this link, they're going to get redirected to your email list. So those visitors are not going to be coming only from your basic funnel. They're going to come from everybody who will set up their funnel through your system. So anybody who will set up their basic funnel here, either you referred them or anybody else in the system referred them, unlimited width, unlimited depth, they're going to be promoting your training area starting from your sign up page. So you're going to be building a viral email list, and you'll be able to use this email list in order to send people back to the traffic training center. So you make sure that they will take action, which is really powerful viral marketing concept. And in this training area, you will be able to monetize this training area with your own affiliate links for all the programs promoted here. And there are many programs actually. So if anybody sign up through your links here, you're going to get the referral and the commission if they purchase. In addition to that, as a Pro funnel owner, you will also be able to promote the Pro upgrade for this same funnels. So if any one of your basic funnel end user decided to upgrade to get the Pro funnel the same as you, you're going to make 50% commission from every Pro upgrade. And that is regardless if you got them yourself or they came through any one of your basic funnel end users, which is really, really powerful and does have a potential to build up over time to huge profit for you. Now, you may ask why I'm sharing this with everybody, why I don't just keep it for myself and give people only the basic funnel, so to build my own email list and generate viral commissions. Well, there are a couple of reasons here. The first reason is because I got so many requests from basic funnel end users for this funnel asking me to brand the whole system, and that's going to include the main training area and the traffic training center. So they was asking me several times, and I got this request many, many times. I refused at the beginning, but I thought about it after a while, and I thought, why I don't give people access to this system so they can also have some success. Now, the second reason is kind of selfish reason actually, which is making some extra income. I guess there's no problem with that because this system is not going to be for free, as I spend a lot of time, literally hundreds of hours working on that and building those pages and creating the videos and everything. You don't even have to worry about hosting the videos or anything. I do that for you. The video hosting service can cost you monthly payment, so you don't have to worry about anything of that. I take care about everything. And also, there's one thing here: this system is not for everybody. Most of the people, they're going to decide to go for the basic funnels. And one more thing here, I decided also to give my pro funnel buyers the opportunity to partner with me and offer the pro membership level to the basic funnel end users. And that is for 50% commission, which is also an additional benefit that the pro funnel user is going to get. If anybody decided to upgrade to pro and get the pro funnel through your training area, then you're going to get a 50% commission. And that's another huge benefit. So here's what you're going to get here. You'll get access to the Viral Splash system pages, the basic funnel, and the training area. You'll be able to edit and customize the pages with your own details and affiliate links. And for that, you're going to get a detailed step-by-step video course to teach you exactly how to set up everything. So you don't have to worry about a thing here. There is no special skills required. All what you have to do is to follow my detailed step-by-step video tutorials. You will also get access to a very high value exclusive bonuses. The first bonus is you'll be able to copy and customize the Traffic Training Center. And the Traffic Training Center is where your members are going to go in order to learn how to generate traffic. There is more than 10 ways to generate traffic and so many pages that you will be able to edit. And the training have been already created for you. You just need to copy the pages, edit them and customizing them with your own details and links. Then, of course, you'll be able to add this Traffic Training Center and link it with your main training area of your pro funnel. And of course, I have a step-by-step video course to show you how to set up everything. Second bonus is the traffic generation plan. Now, obviously, you have a marketing system right now, but you need to generate traffic because traffic is like the fuel for your online business. Without traffic, even if you have the best marketing system out there, you won't be able to generate any leads or money. For that reason, I decided to add this bonus, which is the traffic generation plan. And this bonus actually is the video course where first you'll understand the two important traffic generation factors that you need to pay attention to. And most of the people, they just jump into the traffic without understanding those two important factors. Then you will learn how to pick your traffic sources and how to create your own traffic daily action plan that you need to follow on a daily basis. And you will learn also how to track and improve your results over time. And the third bonus is the daily action plan checklist. And this is actually a video course and a checklist template that you can use. So here you will learn what are the main tasks to build and grow your online business. After that, you will learn how to design your own daily action plan checklist, and you will learn very simple ways to manage your daily tasks checklist easily. And of course, you will get access to a checklist template that you will be able to use and customize based on your own needs. Now, bonus number 4 is the Facebook support community. You will be able to join our closed Facebook group community and connect with other pro systems owners, and you'll be able to ask questions and get support. So if you have any question, you just need to post the question there. And you're protected by our 30-day money-back guarantee, so you have nothing to lose here. So let's recap. By claiming your copy today, you will get access to the Vital Pro System copy plus video course where I'll take you step by step through the process of setting up the system from start to end. There is no guesswork here. All you have to do is to follow my video instructions and you should have your system ready. Also, you'll get access to the first bonus, which is copying and customizing the Traffic Training Center, and that's going to add multiple additional income streams for you. Also, you'll get bonus number 2, which is the Traffic Generation Plan video course, as traffic is one of the most important things to get people to this system. The third bonus is the Daily Action Plan Checklist video course, where you'll get access to a video course plus a checklist template that you'll be able to customize for your own use. And the fourth bonus, which is access to our Facebook support community to ask questions and connect with other Pro Funnel owners. So make sure to claim your copy of the Viral Splash Pro System plus all of those amazing exclusive bonuses today. And remember that you're protected by our 30-day money-back guarantee. So make sure to take action right now by clicking on any one of the buttons you see on this page and make that one-time payment to get instant access to the system. And I cannot wait to see you inside.
So thanks for watching, and if you liked this video and found this review helpful, then subscribe to my channel and I will see you next time.